I'm cycling around the West Country on a bike tour performing my poetry. I've found an albatross and an ancient mariner, seen Jupiter and Antares while being a stargazer. I've heard shanties sung down by Watchet seashore, watched wagtails while camping up high on Exmoor. The Lynton Lynmouth Railway got me from sea level to cliff top, which was a relief. Looking back down, it's a 500-foot drop. I've told poems in bike shops, bookshops, Coleridge's cottage, a campsite and a village hall. There's been wind and rain, even fog, but also sunsets galore. This story's not over. I'm only partway through my journey. I'm on quite the adventure, cycling around more of the West Country.